dinner in a movie. Make this for a romantic date night at home after you Netflix and chill to work up an appetite. Make this pineapple bowl with pineapple fried rice topped with sweet and salty sauteed shrimp. The climax is my sex on the dinner table cocktail. If you love food, please comment below, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe. Slice a fresh pineapple lengthwise, including the crown. It's easier than it sounds. Cut it down like this. Being careful not to penetrate the outer shell, slice strips to shape each half into a bowl-like vessel. Be sure to identify and remove the core. If you're unsure which part's the core, you can just do the bite test. If it's hard, don't swallow. Cut into chunks and save the sweet and juicy bits for later. Remove the tails from some good-sized shrimp and skewer in sets of 3. 2 skewers per pineapple half, through the head and the tail just like this. Marinate in our salad dressing from the previous video. Heat some olive oil, not the extra virgin stuff, because it's got to be able to handle some heat. And saute some onions, cook a bit, and add fresh minced garlic. Heat it until your mouth waters. Make a well and add 2 eggs, freshly whisked, and lightly scramble, break it up. In goes more oil and the fluffy rice. Previously cooked and then chilled rice works best, but fresh cooked works too. Heat with some fresh grated ginger, pepper, and when you're ready to finish, in goes the pineapple and some chopped cashews. I hear pineapple makes it taste better, and optional crushed red peppers. Heat thoroughly and stir in some low sodium soy sauce. Scoop some rice into your pineapple bowls and into the pan with some olive oil, coconut oil, or butter. Bring on the shrimp and cook for about a minute per side, a little more if using raw shrimp. They do cook quickly though. Pour in the remaining dressing marinade towards the end. These go right onto the pineapple bowls and wow, gorgeous. Let's get the drink going and we'll be one step closer to dessert. For the sex on the dinner table cocktail, pile of pineapple. I hear pineapple makes it taste better. 3 parts white rum, 1 part coconut rum, 1 part orange liqueur, 1 part cherry grenadine. Blend, blend, blend until it's super smooth and frosty. Oops. Layer over the sparkling white wine, and it's ready to go on the dinner table and in your mouth. Serve these up to your date alongside our salad and our no-bake cheesecakes. Don't forget the candles and some sexy music. And plenty of privacy. Also remember to get the salad, Asian dressing, and cheesecake recipe from the previous video. Have an unforgettable date night. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.
Food porn.